This video demonstrates the coding of Python program to sum n numbers, given as command line arguments. Let us create a new file. cd python touch sum n numbers v1.py. Let us start writing the code. Import sys n equal to len of sys.argv sum equal to 0 for I in range of 1, n. Sum equal to sum plus int of sys.argv of I. Print sum. Python 3, sum n numbers v1.py. 1357. The output 16 is printed. Here, the output is sum of the command line argument values, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Git add python /sum n numbers v1.py. Git commit m, commit message. Git push -u origin master. Here is the file, in GitHub. Here, the int function converts the command line inputs into integer numbers. The len function returns the total values present in the argv list.